So tomorrow we're going to have the third of a series of workshops and focus groups to build the platform. And so the way in which this is part of the patient-led, human-centered design process is that we invite in patients and caregivers of rare diseases, and we bring them together to respond to the development that we've made in the platform, and we also work with them to learn about and prioritize the needs that they have that we want to meet with the platform. And so throughout the day we'll have different activities and interview and work together and receive critiques and feedback from the patients that are going to be the owners of the platform when we're done with it.